everybody, this is Jonathan from Helicool. We're just going to do a quick and easy how to maintain your fridge. Fridges nowadays are big and expensive and hard to move, so we're going to show you the best way to do some quick maintenance on them. First of all, we're going to pull them out. We already pulled this one out. Just be careful of your fridge line and your power cord. And we're just going to bring a vacuum in here and vacuum. Let's just move over here and I'm going to show you. We're just going to vacuum up. Move on in, Alex. We're just going to vacuum in up any your popcorn, your dust, any your other food that's from last week floating around under your fridge. Because with any refrigeration equipment, dust is your biggest enemy. We're just going to give that area a quick vacuum. Then second thing we're going to do, guys, is just do a quick vacuum of your condenser and condenser cover just to get the dust off there. Because a fridge moves air to get rid of the heat. So we're going to clean this off. We're just going to use your standard vacuum as well. We're going to come back here. We're just going to vacuum off the grill, make sure the air can get across. I already took off a couple of these screws, got them ready to go. And we're just going to look inside here really quick. You can see all the dust that's building up on this condenser. So we're going to use a vacuum and maybe a little bit of soap and water just to get all that dust off. Same idea. We're just going to clean that up with a vacuum. Don't worry, you can't scratch anything on there. Just get it nice and close and vacuum off all the dust. This way your fridge is going to stay running efficiently, have less breakdowns. By vacuuming that off, the head pressure of the condenser goes down, uses less energy and makes less heat. So we're going to vacuum that off. You can always clean off out your drain here as well. If you have a condensate drain that's accessible, you can either vacuum that out or pull it off and just wash it off to make sure any scum is kind of out of the bottom of that drain trap. And that should do it. Put it back together, push it back in, and your fridge should be good for another year. Have a good day. Thanks for coming to Heli School.